I'm sorry, but you can't go in. Manny says it's just for kids. Wait a minute. You are kids. Ow! Just don't break anything!
The sloth says the playground's open!
No, wait! Not for everyone! No, don't touch that!
When she stole the crown,
everyone
frowned. Now they're ruling with a What are they?
No, don't touch that!
What are they?
No, don't touch that! How is this perfect?
She should have had us by now.
No, don't touch that!
What are they?
No, don't touch that!
You have dishonored my people for the last time, White Rooster! It is you who brings much shame, Whispered One!
What are they?
No, don't touch that! No, don't touch that!
What are they?
No, don't touch that!
Those pits of magma.
What
are they?
No, don't touch that!
What are they? Ongalinga!
No, don't touch that!
What are they? But it's the wrong way!
No, don't touch that!
My mother! Then she is gonna too. Take that back! Never! Take it back! No!
No, don't touch that!
What are they?
No, don't touch that!
What are they? Who cares? They're gone!
Play nice!
Mommy, he's not sharing! Aren't you going to do something?
Why? My kid had it first.
Did not!
Did two.
Did not!
Did two.
Did not!
Liar, fur on fire.
What is the matter with you?
I'm a single mother with 3 kids. I could use a little compassion. That's a shame.
Let me finish. Help me!
That's a shame.
Not bad.
That's a shame.
Are you calling my brother a liar? Nobody calls my brother a liar. Yes!
That's a shame. That's a shame.
What? You're the only one around here who wants to gobble someone up, and now you want to gobble up a crocodile? Oh, and now you want to gobble up a fox? Hey, listen you two. Nobody gets gobbled up here. Hey, you two, stop it! You're not really supposed to gobble up each other. Isn't anybody listening to me? Hey.
Oh, that's a shame.
Hold on, little Johnny! I'm trying!
You know, experts say you should let your kids eat whatever they want.
Do you think my ankles look fat?
Ankles? What ankles? Ronald, where did you come from? Oh no.
Okay, come on, spit him out. If you don't spit out little Johnny, we're leaving the playground this instant. 1, 2. Don't make me say 3. Well, there we are. A picture of health.
That's not little Johnny.
Well, better than nothing.
Oh, Madison!
Come on, barf him up.
Sid?
Oh, hey. Hey, May.
Little Johnny!
Oh, wait!
Oh, I'm really sorry.
This place is totaled. And we didn't wreck it. We're losing our touch, bro.